One thing I love being honest. You know, ono doria nyedeire Gian muno ni atiriri. Akoragwo mundu very honest.
Wow.
So he has taught me the ucio wa gukoragwo we honest.
Kwaria.
With me, marriage has been so beautiful. Na nejigua uru muno ngiona andu aria angi gukunja mara advocate ate kihiko ti kiega. So kihiko tondo ne Ngai wombire ri, no cio rauga ti kiega ri. Ni product ya kihiko. Tondo na agiciarwo ri, ithe ndaciarwo ni mami na baba. So marriage is good. It's beautiful and it's ordained by God. So I advocate for marriage. Na Ngai no oteithagia andu magaka mucii tondu kiugo kia Ngai ni kiugite ati uria wi akagira mucii na meciria make ri arutaga wira wa tuhu no uria wiraga Ngai amuhe ugi Ngai ni amuteithagia. So it's been 8 years, beautiful 8 years. We thank God and we are still growing together, trusting in God for more growth and of course a beautiful experience because ogwo niguo Ngai endete na niwe wombire kihiko we mwene. Kihiko ni institution ya Ngai. Nikio arora muthuri ona ena ihoru akiona ni wega mumbire mutumia. Riu mundu wothe ungiuma na kujajia campaign ate marriages kwena ga slogan yes good ogwo niguo marauga gukunja. I think jire otijega na mundu wothe urauga ogwo ri ni kuonania aronania ndahete Ngai gitio. Yes,
Tondu Ngai ni wombire kihiko.
Yes.
Wow.
Sheshe ni hakuhe nawe.